How we doing, everyone? We are back with another video. This time we got one ticket here. We got one of the $20 230 million cash explosion ticket from the Arizona Lottery. Now these ones here, we have the overall odds are gonna be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to the top prize of $2.5 million. Today we have the last ticket in the pack, ticket 29 here. Hopefully we can get lucky and get a big win on this one. This one here, we are looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or that 20 times symbol to win 20 times our prize. And hopefully we do not get the Arizona Special, the $1 under it. Alright guys, let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. This is ticket 29 here, and our winning numbers we are looking for are going to be 43. 3, 50, 15, 28, 34, 2. Gonna start out with a 47, 32, 48, 9, 26, 25, 35, 46, 10, 24. No, we had 34. 5, 40, 4. Boom! We do hit that 20x symbol. Alright, guys. That is nice to see. It has been a while since we have seen a nice multiplier on these. Now, hopefully we don't get stuck with that Arizona Special. But at least we know we are getting a win, and we win our money back for the session. Alright, 45. 16, 39, 1, 33, 21. Let's see here. Last row. 38, 11. There's my lucky 44. Not today. 23, and 8. Alright, guys. Let's move it back down and get that 20x symbol here. Hopefully we can get something big here. Alright, come on guys, something other than $1. Let's see. $2. We will take it. It is going to be a profit. Better than the $1. Alright guys, if you would help the channel out, smash that thumbs up button. If you have not before, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you all on the next one.